Get good at presenting in less than 60 seconds. In my book, Get Good at Slides, I did 5 years of research finding out how to use PowerPoint or Apple Keynote or Google Slides, whichever ones you use, but basically how to use slides in the best way possible. Let me tell you what I learned in all that research. Use more photographs and less text. Yep, you heard me right. Use more photographs and less text. In other words, don't fill the slides with text and bullet points. No one's really interested in that. But use the slide as a backdrop to your presentation. Use a slide so it's like a billboard, so it illustrates your point. So you use amazing high definition photographs, which are just off the edge of the slide. So let them bleed off the edge so they fill the screen. Use photographs to actually illustrate what you're saying. It makes a massive difference and keeps an audience engaged.